Hello everyone, welcome back. You have to tie the hairs on the sides like this in the front. Take very small sections and join them like this. Fold it as shown in the video. Roll the hairs one by one as we are rolling it. Fold them and then tie them like this. Take small sections from the front and then fold it at the back and roll them with the hairs together. Follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. Take it till the back in the same manner. Tie it on the side using the rubber band and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, fix the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs together by tying a ponytail on the back. Now tie it using a rubber band. After that, we will rotate the hairs first, or you can just divide the hairs from the between first and then we have to rotate it upward. Fold it like this by fixing the hairs. Tie it on the top using the bun pin. Fix the hairs on the hairs. Now we will take the hairs from the sides which we kept aside and fold it around the bun on the back. Fix it on the alternative sides like this and put the hairpins to fix the hairs tightly on the hair like this. And your hairstyle is almost ready. Use some designer clips to fix it on the top and it's done. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now after that, divide the hairs into two parts and then we will roll the hairs like this. First, you have to tie the hairs into two parts and make two ponytails on the sides like this. After that, we will rotate the hairs upward like this and then fix them on the alternative sides using the hairstyling tool as shown in the video. Follow the same step for the other section of the hairs. After fixing them, we will tie the hairs again on the alternative sides and fix them like this using the hairstyling tool. Now after that, we will tie the hairs together at the downside, or you can just fix it on the sides if you have the small length of the hairs. After fixing it, watch these steps like this very carefully. Now tie it on the underside like this using the rubber band and fix it inside the hairs. Put the hairpins and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. After rotating it, we will tie all the hairs together. Tie it using the rubber band as shown in the video. Fix the hairs carefully as shown in the video. Now, at the end, we will tie the hairs again from the between. Now, after that, we will fold it upward and make a bun. Spread the hairs like this and fold it tightly and put the hair clutch over it to fix the hairs. And your hair bun will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then tie it using the rubber band like this. After fixing it, you can rotate the hairs if you want. Otherwise, take another section of the hairs and fix it on the back like this on the lining ways. Join the hairs and then we will fix the hairs together like this. Tie them carefully as shown in the video using the rubber band. Fix them into each other as shown in the video and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.